In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize WooCommerce shop page with Elementor. By the end, you'll understand how to open your site, access the shop page, and use Elementor to add branded sections and visuals, then save your changes so they go live. Start by opening your WooCommerce website in your browser. Give the current shop page a quick look so you have a clear before and after reference. Notice what feels off. Maybe the header is plain, the spacing is tight, or the branding isn't consistent. Having that mental checklist will guide your edits. Next, head to your site's dashboard and go to Pages. Locate the page that's set as your shop. Click Edit on that page to open it in the WordPress editor. This is your starting point for making visual changes without touching code. From here, click Edit with Elementor. Once Elementor opens, click the plus icon to add a new section. This is where you can layer your branding around the shop content. Think about a clean hero area above the products with a headline, a short tagline, and maybe a branded image or icon. Drag in a heading for a clear title. Add text editor for a concise description, and use image or icon elements to bring personality to the page. Keep your color palette and typography consistent with your brand so the shop looks unified with the rest of your site. As you build, pay attention to spacing. Use columns and padding to create breathing room, and keep important information above the fold. If you include banners for promotions or collections, make sure the call to action is clear and the product grid remains easy to reach. Small adjustments like aligning text, matching button styles, and setting consistent section widths can make the page feel polished. Elementor's styling panel lets you fine-tune fonts, colors, and hover effects quickly. If you have global styles set, apply them for consistency. It also helps to preview how the page looks on tablet and mobile so your layout stays readable and clickable on smaller screens. When you're happy with the layout and design, click Update or Publish to save your work. Then revisit your storefront in a new tab to see the result in context. If you don't see changes immediately, try a hard refresh or check any caching you might be using. That's it. You opened your WooCommerce site, went to your store, edited the shop page, used Elementor to add elements that match your brand, and saved your changes. Follow these guidelines each time, and your shop page will stay a GA, on brand, clear, and conversion friendly.